Hey guys, welcome to my boxing channel, Unbox Other Things. So as you can see on the table, I've got a tech unboxing to do, and this is the Nintendo Switch. Of course, with this design, this is the OLED version. And as before, we will take a look at the box. So on the side here, it's Nintendo Switch. It says OLED. It has 64 GB of memory built in. This is the dock, and the dock has a stand that could tilt. So this is some product shots, and this is how it tilts. Here, this is on the white version, white Joy-Con side, the bottom, and it says Nintendo at the top. So let's open it up, and we'll see what we get in the box. So when you first open it, on the side here, it has a quick setup guide on what you need to do to set up the Switch for the first time. So we got two white Joy-Con. This is a pretty nice color. I like this. So this is the Switch. Now, bear in mind, this box has been opened before, because we need to do setups and game transfer on the store where I got them from. So the nice thing about this new version, this OLED version, is that the kickstand at back, it's much more sturdier and a bigger stand than the previous flimsy type. So this is how it's packaged. We've got the HDMI cable. This is the power brick. Because this is not a global version, this is the Japanese version, or they call it international version. So it comes with these two small pins, but the shop gave me an adapter for it, so not much of a problem. I think every shop that you buy in Malaysia, they may give you this adapter. I don't know, but so the Switch includes two straps as well. Usual basic straps, nothing special. So it comes with the Joy-Con holder as well. Standard device to like any other Switch that you might get. So this will be the dock. I think the most unique thing about Switch OLED is of course the OLED screen and the white dock. Looks pretty nice, huh? So I believe this is a bit more wider than usual, so you could avoid scratching your Switch. Get two USB ports here. Back. It feels like a rubbery texture, but it's very smooth. So of course this is the back. Now this panel on the back, it doesn't swing open like the old one, because I think a lot of people wanted the back to be completely removed. So they listened to them, and this is what they gave them. So at the back you will have the AC adapter, the HDMI out port, and LAN. Now in previous V1, V2 version you don't have LAN. So this is how it looks like when the Joy-Cons are connected to it. And this is how it looks like when it's docked. So this is my unboxing for the Nintendo Switch OLED version. Please give me a like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.